Hi, today in front of me INFINIX Hot 20i and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and now in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then click to open the app. Click yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, the health, and we can see that our battery is in a good condition. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.